Derrick Morgan wasn't just a TikTok influencer, he was a legend in the sound department. He would say the most outrageous, funny, off-the-wall things online, and the internet would eat it up.
Lord Jesus, have mercy upon a man here. Me feel fed up. Me feel take a buckle of grandma.
His voice was plastered under makeup tutorials, cooking videos, and dance clips. If Derrick said something today, it was a trending sound by morning.
What do me? Make me so sad. I'm not shitting at church. Me not shitting at no church. Me don't shitting at no church.
But for a man that is famous online, Derrick despised being recorded in public. One Sunday, he was walking through Crossroads with his phone in hand ready for a video war, when someone from a Kerala leaned out with a phone.
Dirty Derrick! Dirty Derrick! Dirty Derrick! You can't video me so cold. You can't video me.
Before you know it, Uncle Derrick started to video as well, saying, That clip, 200K views in 2 hours. The street loved him, but behind the scenes, Derrick had a darker story. He had an ex named Andrew, the name he refused to say. People knew not to bring it up. But of course, the internet doesn't take anything serious, so they did it every chance they got. One night during a TikTok live, someone asked him,
Our tea timers want to know about Andrew. Where is Andrew and who is Andrew?
Derrick stopped mid-laugh, eyes locked to the screen like he saw a ghost.
Look here. You talk about the person name. Me never answer no question about the person. Me never answer the question because me no comment to answer them question there. So pass that, please. Me I beg you, pass that right now. Because me not answer the question. I'm telling you though.
Hey, you like the video? You subscribe?
The chat blew up, but the fear in Derrick's voice wasn't acting. Andrew wasn't just an ex, he was dangerous. Derrick had stayed quiet for years, never reported anything, never calling names, just blocking and pretending. But TikTok never forgets. Derrick found comfort in doing his live until he met one of his destiny helper, Nicki Minaj, or as he renamed her, Nicki Simaj. Whenever he was broke or feeling down, he would go online, face sad, saying,
Again, Miss Nicki Simaj, and I want you urgent if you can give me a assistant help now, because there's a girl on TikTok with name Rosalie ever go around and set up my life with bad people.
People would troll him in the comments.
Nicki, know you, sir?
And Derrick, he would get pissed.
Come on for this. Come on for this. Come on for this.
The next day, the sound.
Come on for this.
And
Nicki Simaj
was trending all over TikTok. He was funny, he was chaotic, he was hurting. But Derrick Morgan remained the most unpredictable, loud, TikTok sound-making Jamaican icon you could ever scroll past. And when people saw him on the street, they knew better. Or at least they should have.
Hey, you like the video? You subscribe? You comment? Oh God, I tell me say I watch out the video and don't even like the something. Like the something, the man.